Hi friends, welcome to Civil Sotra. Today I came with a new topic, most important skills for civil engineers. While going to the topic, please like and subscribe our channel. Those skills are decision making skills, leadership skills, math skills, organization skills, problem solving skills, speaking skills, writing skills. Decision making skills. Civil engineers usually balance multiple and frequently conflicting objectives like determining the feasibility of plans with regards to financial costs and safety concern. Urban and regional planners usually look to civil engineers for advice on these issues. Leadership skills. Civil engineers take ultimate responsibility for projects that they manage, balance of that they must be able to read planners, surveyors, construction managers, civil engineer technicians, civil engineer technologists, and other in implementing their plan. Math skills. Civil engineers use the principles of calculus, trigonometry, and other advanced topics in mathematics for analysis, design, and troubleshooting in their works. Organizational skills. Only licensed civil engineers can sign the design documents for infrastructure projects. This recruitment makes it impressive that civil engineers may be able to monitor and evaluate the work at job site as project progress. That way, they can ensure compliance with design documents. Civil engineers also often manage several projects at the same time and thus must be able to balance time need and to effectively allocate resource. Problem solving skills. Civil engineers work at the highest level of planning, design, construction, and operation of multifaceted projects or research. The many variables involved required that they process the ability to identify and evaluate complex problems. They must be able to utilize their skills and training to develop cost effective, safe, and effective solutions. Speaking skills. Civil engineers must present report and plans to audience of people with a wide range of background and technical knowledge. This required the ability to speak clearly and to convert the ability to speak clear and to convert the people in various settings and to translate engineering and scientific information into easy to understanding concepts. Writing skills. Civil engineer must be able to communicate with others such as architects, landscape architects, and urban and regional planners. They also must be able to plan projects to elected officials and citizens. This means that civil engineer must be able to write reports that are clear, concise, and understand able to those with little or non-technical or scientific background. Thanks for watching video. Please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for more videos.